in a world where innovation enhances every aspect of life. Two pioneering forces, Jimmy IoT and Amber Connect, emerge as architects of the future in vehicle telematics. Each a beacon of ingenuity, now united with a shared dream. With over 55 million devices delivered, Jimmy IoT is one of the world's largest hardware manufacturers, creating a symphony of technology that resonates with the world. Together with Amber Connect, a world leader in AI vehicle telematics software, whose seal for beautiful user interfaces surpasses visual aesthetics and creates an experience that speaks to the soul. From the vibrant streets of China to the pulsating heart of the Caribbean, from the energy of Africa to the spirit of UAE, our journey is fueled by diversity, driven by technology, and dedicated to transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. In this fusion of minds and dreams, Jimmy Fleet is born. A harmonious blend of Amber Connect's AI technologies and machine learning capabilities and Jimmy's deep-rooted expertise and advanced hardware. Imagine having an unprecedented bird's-eye view of your entire fleet right at your fingertips. With our sleek dashboard and live camera streaming, you can oversee your entire fleet with ease and precision. Advanced analytics and AI-powered KPI dashboard are more than just fancy tech terms. They seamlessly provide actionable insights to supercharge your fleet's performance and dramatically reduce costs. Dispatch management automatically assigns drivers to routes, optimizing your operations and ensuring timely deliveries. Driver Score empowers you to elevate safety, efficiency, and accountability of the team through insightful, accurate, real-time driver evaluations based on extensive analysis of various behavioral factors. It is one of the world's first fleet management solutions with AI dashcams being fully integrated, redefining road safety and accountability, analyzing every move both inside and outside the vehicle, taking the burden off fleet managers. This is Jimmy Fleet, where technology meets humanity, where every feature weaves into the fabric of a safer, smarter, and more sustainable world. Jimmy Fleet by Jimmy IoT and Amber Connect. Redefining horizons, reimagining futures.